Having difficulty keeping track of your stock, accounting and day-to-day activities? Alpha E Barcode Solution provides a solution for every problem. We provide a comprehensive business solution for retailers, wholesalers and manufacturers, uniquely catering to your every need with Gsoft Extreme ERP, the most trusted software in India. We provide our services to apparel and clothing store, footwear and luggage store, watch store, fitness and sportswear store, gift and toy store, fashion jewelry store. Come join us and use our software Gsoft, which helps us in turning problem into profit. Turn stock into a pot of gold with the help of POS and Inventory Management. Speed up your business and handle all the financial activities with the help of Gsoft. Always stay updated with all the statutory compliances. Alteration, order management and tailoring make-to-order modules helps you handle the activities smoothly. Build great business with the CRM feature in Gsoft by retaining old customers and acquiring the new ones. Digitalize your business into the 21st century and carry your business wherever you go with our mobile applications. Monitor all your business operations from any location. Be a smart businessman and find all the data related to sales, purchase, profit, stock in seconds with the help of business intelligence reports. Your search ends here. Integrate all your data with chain store management. Life is too short for regular business. Switch to Gsoft. Start investing your free time and resources in prospering your business. Prepare counter slips without going on counters with the help of the latest mobile POS. Our user-friendly software provides exclusive business boosters equipped with the latest technologies, job work and production management, production payroll management, minimum and maximum stock management, delivery order management, shop-in-shop module, image catalog, festival-wise sales analysis, multiple billing counter, multi-discount setup, powerful user rights and security, OTP generate facility, general reminder and many more. We also provide Barcode Solution. Get a complete range of products with high quality at the best prices and best services. We also provide digital marketing solutions. Promote your business online with us. Call us on 9879 277 294 or visit www.alphaebarcode.com. Thank you.